because as soon as you click on, you can click onto all the details. You can find out like who's on your tenancy, which I've never really known properly before. You can find out all your details, for example, when your tenancy started, which is something you could never do because you always have to phone up for that kind of stuff. Obviously reporting a repair and all that, it's all kind of categorized into quite simple steps.
Yeah, it was quite easy process. I didn't book repairs because I didn't have any in the meantime, but it was easy to check my details. They were all right, everything was all right.
Right, I found that the resident portal both helped me track my repairs, log a repair, and also manage my tenancy details. So regarding the logging of my repairs, normally if I wanted to log a repair, I'd have to call up and then spend lots of time waiting on the phone. But with in this portal, I'm able to just click a button, go through a few steps which even guide you through, and log a repair quite straightforward actually. And what is good about that is that you don't even have to log it in like between 9 and 5 Monday to Friday. Any time of day. So I was able to log mine like probably in the evening on Sunday, which I know not a lot of people will be working, but I was able to log through. I got my notification on the text, and also I was able to change the date on the calendar if it didn't fit me. So I thought that was very good for logging my repairs. And then also regarding the tenancy, managing my tenancy information, it's very good there too. And I'm able to even update my tenancy information. And I found, at least when I checked the resident portal, that my details were correct. So it's good to be reassured that the Waltham Forest has the correct details of my circumstances on their system.